Oh, interesting. Does it look like I can take this one? I might take a little bit of WIF. 73. Okay, maybe I'll take some WIF. Will this look like it will go up? Looks like something like that, guys. Looks like something like that. That WIF is going to go up. Let's go for it. Look at it. It looks like it's a full candle. Let me check the volatility level. Let's see. Oh my God. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. Oh my God. Look at WIF. Look at WIF. It looks like it's going to go up. Let's just pick some. Let's pick some, guys. Let's pick some. Yeah. Oh, let me pick some. Let's see how much we can take. Let's see what we can take. Let's see what we can take. Let's see whether we can take that. Did we buy it? I think we did. Okay, so we did. Let's go and sell this thing, guys. Let's go sell it. Looks like it's going up. Let's pick some things here. Let's pick it. Let's go. But we have to do this in convert. It cannot be inside of the spot trading. The reason being that, how much did we buy? I think we didn't buy everything. We actually just bought. We actually bought how much? We bought 49.84. Okay. So let's go and do this in convert. All right. So convert limit is where we're going to do it because it has to pick up every single thing. Okay. So we're going to do it in convert limit. So let's put the WIF here. All right. And then we convert that to USDT. Remember, it only picked 49.84. So whatever we're doing, we want to try and get like 2%. So what I'm thinking is that let's go ahead and see. Let's put in the max. You can see it's picking up every single thing. So I'm going to change this. I'm changing this to 2.7. Let me see. I'm changing it to 2.7. Okay, it's not giving me much. Let's change it to 2.669. Okay, let's see whether that will give us some more. No, it's still not giving us enough. So let us go ahead and do 2.7, whether that will give us something. Okay, we're seeing 50.11 is still not enough. So I think I would put 5 there. Let me see what's going to give me. Okay, 51.04 is not bad. So 2.75, let's see how long that will take us. So we're currently in the queue for 51.04, right? And that's going to give us some good one, yeah. So we're currently in the queue with WIF. So where are we heading to, guys? We're heading to 7.5. Let's hope that it hits it. I'm currently waiting and hoping it will get there, guys. So we're going to be checking on this thing, right? What we just need is to get to 2.75. Let's hope it does. We just wait for it, guys. We'll wait and hope that it does get there, right? 2.76. We're almost there, guys. WIF has executed. Oh my God. Look at it. Can you see that? WIF has executed. Can you see what I am seeing, guys? WIF has executed. What are we talking? Can you see what I am saying here, guys? Can you see what I'm saying here? WIF has executed. Beautiful. Awesome. Nice. Let's go and see how much it gave us, okay? Wow. I just saw it that the price had gone up. Interesting. Wow. What do you say about this, guys? Are you not enjoying this? How much of WIF did we buy? We bought, how much of WIF? We bought it 49.84. Yes, 49.84 is what we bought. Take note of that, guys. 49.84. Okay, let's go over and see how much we made. 49.84. Let's remember that. 49.84. Let's go to limit and go and check what is happening. WIF has executed, guys. Look at it. He gave us 51.04. Are we here, guys? Can you see what I'm seeing here? Yeah, it gave us 51.04. Okay, let me just open that. Let me open this. 51.04. Alrighty. And that was 49.84. Okay, am I right about that? 51.04. Then let's go see. I think it's 49.84. I'm trying to remember it so I don't forget. Okay. 49.8. I just want to be sure. I'm not sure. 49, yes, 49.84. Okay, let's go and check the calculation. So 51.04 minus 49.84. We made $1.20. Okay, $1.20, and there is no trading fee. No trading fee, guys, because it was in convert limit. No trading fee. So all this $1.20 is ours. Okay, so let's go ahead and calculate that. That is how much? I'm trying to see how much is that. 49.84 times 2.4. Yes, 2.41. Yes, can you see that? 2.41%. That's what we made. 2.41%. Can you see that? So we made 2.41% with WIF. 2.41%.